Romanso Sports Lighting features exceptional light efficiency of 150 lumens per watt, utilizing high bright Philips Lumen LEDs and Cree LEDs for optimal brightness. It offers RGBW options to create dynamic scenes, enhancing fan engagement and audience participation during key moments like halftime performances and player introductions. Versatile in application, these lights are suitable for various sports venues as well as charity and sponsorship events. Additionally, they boast multiple safety approvals, including ETL, CETL, SAA, FCC, CE, and ROS, and come with a generous 5-year warranty, ensuring reliability and performance.